Hi friends! Merry Christmas! I promised you my special video on Christmas morning. Little Boomer, he's a little grouchy this morning, but we're going to go ahead and I got 3 gifts that I'm going to open on film, on the camera. I'm sorry I don't have any makeup on. I probably look like horrible, but I wanted to share this with you on Christmas morning. So we'll get to gift number 1. This one. Oh, look, it's so cute. So I've been a Care Bear fan like forever, and this is the 40th anniversary Care Bear. Oh, look. So this is a collector's edition. I'm probably just going to keep it in the box, but it is so cute. Look at that. Oh, all right. And then we have my second gift. It says to Mom. Oh, and this one, look what we got here. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a limited edition Cabbage Patch. It's so cute. Alright, so she is a limited edition, vintage edition Cabbage Patch. She is in the box, never been taken out. And her name is Lara Jessie, and her birthday is actually the same as mine. I don't know if you can see it on the certificate right there. But she was born on January 28th. That's my birthday. Oh, isn't she so cool? She comes in like the vintage box. So awesome. And I'm sure the Cabbage Patches will have a 40th anniversary, so I'll have to be on the lookout for that as well. Because they came out 1983, which is the year that I was born. Yes, I know I'm old. Okay, so last one, I'm going to change the camera so we could get a video of when I'm opening it. Alright, so here is our final gift. So it looks like the kids might have already opened part of it because it's very heavy. Oh my gosh, and it's going to be a doll, I could already tell. Look at this, how she's wrapped in this blanket. Or he. I'm assuming it's a girl because she's wrapped up in pink. But we will get her out of this, and she has a little ribbon on her. Look at that. It is so cute. Alright, so we'll take this off. I like the blanket. It's very soft. Alright. So we won't look at her face yet. We'll look at her body. Oh, look! So she comes with an extra outfit. We got a little headband right here. And then we have another headband, so she comes with 2. And then we got a little dress. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like it's a vintage dress. It's very pretty. Alright, and then here is our baby. Oh my god, would you look at her? She's actually a really good size. Look, oh my gosh, I love the outfit. And let me get some close-up details on her. Alright, so there are her little feet. She's wearing little stockings. So cute. And here is her hand. So adorable. Look at that. And there's her other little hand. And we are going to get to the face right now. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that face? Okay, so we are back and I fixed her hair. Oh my god. Her hair is so soft and rooted so nicely. I cannot believe it. She is gorgeous. Would you look at her? Oh my goodness. She is beautiful and she's big. She's like a bigger size baby. Oh my goodness. So I have to think of a name for her. I was thinking maybe Emily, but if you have other recommendations, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye!